guys, it's me, Kylie. I am back with another unboxing video for you. As you guys know, right now I am completely obsessed. I got my Louis Vuitton, my first Louis Vuitton bag for Christmas, and I am obsessed with filling it up with beautiful things. So I have another unboxing for you guys today. Hopefully you can see me. I am excited to get ready and show you what I got. Here's the receipt. Okay, so here is the box, and you guys, I look crazy right now, but it has been a long day and I just wanted to jump on here and get this done so that I can use it. So I'm going to take off the ribbon, and it is a magnetic flip open box. There is the item. This is a true unboxing because I have not opened it up since I picked it out at the store. Here's its dust bag. And you guys, I died when I saw this in the store. I asked them if they had them and they said they didn't think so. It is the Toiletry 19. And I didn't think that they would have them. Everybody says they're super hard to come by. So I asked and she actually had it and I was so thrilled. So here she is in all her beautiful glory. Here's the inside. And it does have the little materials card. It's coated fabric, cowhide leather trim with a man-made lining. And then it also has the little sticker here if you're interested in what that is called. And again, this is the Toiletry 19. I'm so excited. It's absolutely stunning. There's the side. This piece is made in, oh, this is made in Spain. So this is my first made in Spain purchase. There that is. Hopefully you can see that there. And it's just a beautifully made piece. I am absolutely loving it. This seems, this is like one full piece of canvas here, and then it's got a piece on each side. The zipper tab is the same as all the other SLGs. It opens up. I love that it opens up longer than the actual bag. It makes it really easy to get in here. And this I am going to be using for my makeup. I don't actually have like a Louis Vuitton makeup bag, so this is what I'm going to be using for that. I'll probably use it for travel as well, probably for my makeup. But I was so excited that they had it, and I just had to snag this while I was there. So I wanted to share that with you guys. I will you know, update you on how I like it, but it's so cute, and I feel like it could be used as like a little clutch, like an evening going out, like little out with your husband or your friends or whatever, and you don't want to carry a big bag. This is a great size. So I can't wait to see what all fits in here. I will do a video and let you guys know, but I wanted to show you. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, I would love to have you as one of my subscriber friends, and I will see you guys at the next video. This is Kylie. Bye.